My name is Juan Carlos Huerta. I'm exterior designer, and in the last years, I've been working on the design of the new RS3. The car has got an incredible technology, an extraordinary good package, and we had to communicate that also in the exterior design. We have a black mask that communicates both lights, bringing a new graphic design to the front, really innovative, a really specific light signature with a really interesting animation, coming home, leaving home. The wheels are really impressive. 19-inch wheels, the design is really racing orientated. In the side, of course, we can see the car is wider, 33mm in the front, so of course we've got a new fender that connects perfectly with the new and specific rocker panel. Really interesting and attractive. It communicates this motorsport DNA to the customer. We can see clearly how in the rear end several elements are playing a game that is mixing technology and design. We have a spoiler and a diffuser that they both work together to improve the aerodynamics of this car. In the rear bumper, of course, really dominant the two oval exhaust pipes like is typical from every Audi RS car. With the application of amazing materials and colors like the carbon fiber, the interior communicates perfectly with the exterior. With a specific RS3 interface like every Audi, is totally driver-oriented. The combination of all those features creates the ultimate racing experience.
The 5-cylinder engine in the RS3 has deep historical roots in Audi's DNA and is a fundamental pillar of the emotional connection to the Audi Sport brand. The engine has achieved countless victories in motorsports, from the legendary Group E rally courses around the world to the tarmac in the IMSA GTO and at the Nürburgring in the legendary 24-hour race. The 5-cylinder has prevailed. It even earned the International Engine of the Year award 9 times in a row since 2010. Yet, it is the unique and distinctive sound of the 5-cylinder engine that has captured the emotion of enthusiasts. Due to the odd number of cylinders, and more specifically, the 1-2-4-5-3 firing order, the Audi 5-cylinder engine sound is unmistakable and presents a symphonic rhythm that is accompanied by deep tone characteristics, which can be further enhanced with the available RS Sport exhaust system. Besides its visibility in motorsports, the legendary engine harkens back to the Ur-quattro coupe from the 1980s and remains one of the brand's more powerful engines, with 401 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque, an increase of 7 horsepower and 15 pounds-foot of torque over the predecessor, which brings the RS3 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, and an improvement of 0.3 seconds over the predecessor. The RS3 available in the US is also the most powerful and raucous sounding RS3 in the world, further amplifying the sound and presence of the legendary 5-cylinder engine. Additionally, the all-new Audi RS3 set the lap record for compact cars on the Nürburgring Nordschleife with a time of 7 minutes 40.748 seconds. The 2022 Audi RS3 is slated to be on sale by this summer.